On number 10, money has been invested in an account that pays 2% annual interest compounded quarterly. So we're going to use a compound interest formula. Approximately how many years will it take for the initial deposit to double? So note they don't give you here a starting amount of money or an ending amount of money. We just know that the money is going to double. So if it helps you, you can kind of substitute any amount that you want because it's going to end up not really mattering. So if this is 100 to start, then we know we're going to end up with 200, for example. So if we look at this right here, we're starting with a certain amount. Let's just substitute 100 there. 1 plus r is 0.02 4 times a year because it's quarterly. And then to the exponent, we don't know how long it's going to take. That's what we're solving for, but it's 4 times per each year. We want the money to double, so we're going to end up with $200, for example. So the reason it doesn't matter how much money you start with or end with is because either way, when you divide, you're going to end up with a 2 on this side, if this is double this. So 1 plus 0.02 divided by 4 is 1.005. So I'm going to just substitute that right here, and then to the 4t. So here, in order to solve this, we shouldn't have to guess and check in this unit now that we understand how to use logs to solve exponentials. So if we were to log both sides of the equation, and I'm going to use log base 10 because that way the calculator will be readily useful. So log this side, log this side. What that allows us to do is use the power property to move that exponent in front of this log. So 4t times log 1.005. And now that we have 4t in the coefficient spot, I can isolate the t by dividing by 4 and by dividing by log 1.005. So if I do that over here, then I need to divide by 4 and divide by log 1.005 on this side as well. So t equals, I'm using log base 10 so that I can use this log button on the calculator. So log 2 divided by 4 times log 1.005 is equal to 34.7, and that's in years.